who's looking to do this conversion with a Russell's T5 adapter kit and change fingers, and with the late or early model 230 Flathead 6, I do encourage you to ask questions. The forums, the Facebook forums, can suck every part of my dick. They are trash. Every single person on there doesn't know what they're talking about, doesn't know how to do things. You got certain dudes who do, certain dudes who don't, and they're just going to keep spouting off all this gibberish. So here's what I'm going to tell you from a guy who literally has just got from the beginning of purchasing the new transmission, which was the T5 Borg Warner Chevy style transmission, custom built with certain gearing. I'll have to figure out the gear ratio. It's got a gear ratio, but it matches with my 430 some odd range gear rear end. However, if you're planning to do this setup, what I suggest is this: is that you hit up Russell at the Russell's adapter kit and have him talk with your transmission guys, and he will. My arm hurts. I'm trying to hold this. He will tell your transmission dude what to do and how to do it, and the input shafts, all that good stuff, the bearings. So I ended up having to do a lot more work than most guys have to do, which from my understanding, it's not usually as difficult. But knowing that I'm 41 years old and I'm a guy who's had to talk to all these older cats who got the wisdom, who know what they're doing, I want you to understand this. If you jump into this, it's going to be work. It's not just a bolting kit, which a lot of guys say it is. But you know what? That's good for you. You don't just want a bolting kit. You want something that it's going to be difficult. And either dudes are going to pay somebody to do, or you're going to pay to get things done correctly. And I personally can tell you right now, as a guy who knows how to fabricate, as a guy who knows how to do work and work hard on material and cars, I have a new respect for guys who want to do stuff like this with old cars, because I was ready to sell this thing. And right now I just shifted it. I started the engine. I shifted the transmission through 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the rear going reverse. Everything works. Transmission works good. Goes all the way to the rear end. I'm happy with it. If you look in a previous video, you'll see that there was a point in my build where I actually put the rear end in that was rebuilt by a shop near me, and they put the pumpkin upside down. So I had 1 forward and 3 reverses. I didn't know what the heck happened. I thought it was something that was done with the transmission, but it happened to be it was just a rear end needed the pumpkin flipped. So that being said, it's a lot of work. I feel like it's going to pay off. I got overdrive. I think T5 has 5 speeds. I went through all 4 and then hit reverse on it, and it worked out well. So we'll see what happens. I'm on the end game. I'm going to put all the interior back in, the floorboard, all that stuff. Now that I know that it shifts, now that I know that everything works, I'm at the point now where I can hopefully put it back together, and in the next couple days have this car on the ground. Need the wheels touching. After the brakes are bled and after the interior is put back together, hopefully be able to drive this car again after a year plus change. So follow along. Thanks for checking me out. And if you got any questions, please feel free to ask.